Hi guys, in this video I want to walk through this LeetCode number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. So this question was very famous, has asked by so many companies. Let's go through the question together. So we have a string S, and we need to find the longest substring without repeating characters. So let's say look at this guy over here, ABC, ABC, BB. So longest substring without repeating character will be the first three, the substring that consists of first three characters, A, B, and C. And then when we reach to this state, we have a one more A that is repeating itself. So this is not a substring that without repeating character. It has one repeated character, and after that, when we reach to this, so we will use a slide window technique. So we will scan through, and then when we reach to the one that has repeating character, we will shorten the left pointer to be like this, and then keep moving forward. And then when we have a repeating character, and then we shorten the left window again, and then again. Now we have a repeated one, and then again, like this. In this state, and then it's a B. So the left pointer will be updated 2 times. And the first time we will move the A out, and then the second time we will move the B out. So it will be like this CB, and then we move to this guy over here, and BB, and it's gonna be removing the left pointer will be removing the C like this, and then it's repeating itself still, so it's gonna be like this. So this is a sliding window technique, and I'm gonna show it to you how to implement in the code. And before we do that, I want to go to with you on one example. For example, PWW, So the window started from like this, and then span it out, and then span it out again, and then now we have one repeating character, which is W, and then we will remove the P out, and it will be like this. And now we still have someone repeating character, and then we will remove the W out. So let's try how to implement this in the dynamic programming. Sorry, not dynamic programming. Should be a sliding window technique. And first we have a left pointer, and also we have a right pointer. So left pointer will be started from 0. Of course. So we can first look at this edge case. So if s equal to empty string, and it's gonna return a 0, and the left pointer starts from 0, and the right pointer is the range. Right, so yeah, right pointer is all the way from 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way to the length minus 1. So and then the left pointer we will update it along the way when we see a repeating character, and then we will increment L by 1 by shortening the window. So let's see. For example, in here A, B, C. So whenever we see a unique character, and you increment the R pointer, and of course the look back can be implemented by the set when we look back, right? So we have a set. We can create like a scene. Let's take a look at the window. Window is equal to set, and then for example, the window is gonna first one dot add. We're adding the current character that we're looking at. So we're adding this guy, and before doing that, we want to look back to see if that character is already in the window. So if let's do a while loop, because we will be updating the L pointer. So for example in here, A, B, C, B. So when we see B again, so we'll be updating the left pointer until a point where the first B will be outside the window. So while the right pointer in the window, and what we're going to do is to update the left pointer, and then also remove all the character on the left outside the window. So what we can do is to remove as oops remove the character on the most left corner, and also at the same time we were updating the left pointer. Right, and then after we exit from this while loop, meaning that we have formed a new window that containing all the unique characters. In that case, we will add to the current one that we're looking at. We add to it, and then after that we will compare. So also we will have an answer. Answer equals to a the answer will start with the biggest number, the smallest number, float. The answer can start from 0, right? So and then answer is equal to the maximum of the answer. So we keep updating the maximum number, and also the length of the window that we're looking at. Right. At the end, we will return the answer. I think that's pretty much it. So the left pointer is 0, and then we for all the right pointer in the range from 0 to the length of the S. And then while it's in the window, we will remove it, move the most left element, and then we update the left pointer until a point where the window will contain other unique character, and then we add the latest character to it, and then form a new window, and then we update the answer, being the maximum of the prior answer, and also the current window size. And in terms of the time complexity, as you can see, and this is gonna be a big O of n, because if we just sliding the window, and this one, the lookup is a constant time, because we're looking at the set. So this statement itself is big O of 1, but we iteratively looking back for the L. We shifting the L pointer. So this statement, in the worst case, we have to update all the way to the current pointer. So it will be O of n as well. So the whole time complexity will be n squared. Let's see if that runs. Oops, I have a syntax error. Works. So it's okay solution. It's right in the middle. Yeah, so that's my solution to this LeetCode problem, longest substring without repeated character. And I hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.